Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best rust prevention spray for cars on Amazon. You may need to use a combination of heavy-duty sanding tools and rust-removing agents to restore the look of your vehicle, that is, if the rust hasn't done so much damage you need to replace the part. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. VHT Rust Converter. This rust converter is designed to be used on rusty areas and to stop rust in its tracks. It's a clear spray that changes to a black metal protective coating to prevent additional rust from occurring. You can then sand the area for a smooth and even finish. It can be used on metal, fiberglass, and body filler and takes 24 hours to completely dry. This product does what it says it will do and converts rust into a solid form of metal. After treatment, it's easy to paint the surface area. Overall, it adheres well, and you don't have to do too much prep because it doesn't affect anything that isn't rusty. Overspray does not affect the areas around it or cause any discoloring. One downside to this product is that it runs out quickly because it comes in small cans, so you may need more than one can to complete a project. Also, the nozzle tends to clog. Number 2. Stabil Rust Stopper. If you notice rust forming in the hard-to-reach areas of your vehicle, then you can use Stabil's Rust Stopper to penetrate those surfaces. This is because the solution is packaged in a 13-ounce spray can that's designed with an elongated spray nozzle that helps direct the solution in tight spaces. It's a water-resistant formula that leaves a long-lasting film on exposed metal surfaces to prevent rust and corrosion. The film also resists thinning even when exposed to adverse weather conditions. It also contains lubricative agents, so it can be used to stop squeaks or jamming of bolts, joints, and the exposed moving parts of your vehicle. It can also be used in other applications including motorcycles, bicycles, farm and marine equipment. However, some users have noted that the product remains sticky for a fairly long time, so you may not want to use it on parts that you handle regularly, such as the door. Number 3. Rust Cutter stops rust and converts rust spots. This rust converter stops the spread of rust and treats the metal so rust does not continue to form. It ships ready to use with a spray nozzle and can be used on anything, indoors and out, that rusts. It's safe for use on antique vehicles, farm equipment, tools, galvanized buildings, and more. This product is perfect to use on rusted undercarriage or suspension components. It sprays easily and covers the surface area well. If you want to make rust inert and prevent it from spreading, this stuff does the trick. Some users have even reported that the product removes thick layers of rust. Be aware that if you get this on your skin, it might cause some irritation. Also, you should wear safety glasses and use them in a ventilated area as it has a strong odor. It also leaves behind a white residue. Number 4. 3M Professional Grade Rubberized Undercoating. The 3M undercoating spray is one of the best undercarriage rust protection sprays for cars and trucks. One reason is that it doesn't run or sag during and after the application. We also love its standout noise deadening feature. It is asphalt-based, something that makes it perfect for road noise control. This pack contains 6 16-ounce cans. 2 of the cans are enough to cover an entire underbody, and you can store the extra ones for future use. The rust prevention spray leaves a black, glossy finish that makes your undercarriage less vulnerable to corrosion and abrasion. The 3M undercoating is a handy product you can use on most parts of your car. But as a precautionary measure, make sure you treat the rusted areas first. Applying it over rust can trap water and cause rust to damage your car parts from the inside. The application angle is also crucial. It will dissolve if you don't hold it at a semi-flat angle. Number 5. CRC Heavy Duty Corrosion Inhibitor. This corrosion inhibitor is for use on metal surfaces, engine parts, fasteners, and electrical connections. It provides good protection on steering and throttle linkages, spindles, motors, shafts, and more. This product makes its way into cracks, seams, and rust, and thickens over time. While it doesn't reverse rust damage, it can stop it from spreading. It sprays evenly and lightly and dries to a hard waxy compound. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.